You are about to find out the key levels for RTX. So to get straight into it, we're sitting at $86. Now this is from a massive sell-off. We were sitting at about $100 going back 2 days. Again, they did have earnings and there was some other news affecting this. Again, that's the main catalyst. So what are the key levels? So we can see we went from basically fair value. This is what this $97 line is. And that's where we were coming into basically pre-earnings. Earnings came out, we dropped and we dropped heavy. And what you can see is we came and traded below our final third deviation. What this always means is whenever you trade outside of this area, this tends to be very short-lived because this is extremely overbought. And again, if you understand standard deviations, you know that 99.7% of data trades within that third deviation. So as soon as we started trading out here, again, it tends to be short-lived. We knew we would or should start trading back above this level quite quickly. Now, today, again, we have open, we're still above this level. So as long as we're above this level, we're trading really as expected, but it wouldn't be unlikely to see us start pushing back above the $89 level. Because again, that's our third deviation on the 6 month. So really, we want to be trading back above that. So that's basically the main thing I'm looking at on RTX is we have our key level at this 84.60. Anywhere buying at this level or below is always going to be a great entry, should be from a trading perspective. And again, we can usually look to be long bias, and that's how I personally look to use that level. So as of right now, I am more long bias. My target would be $89. Again, this would just be where we at least move our stop to break even, take some profits. But overall, we would still be long bias through this level because again, we have our third deviation from that 6 month there. That's what that green line is. So really, we would be more long bias, and that's why we'd want to hold definitely a decent proportion of that size through that level and look to trade that to at least a $91.80 target. Now, if we want to trade it any higher, we can. We do have targets at $94.80, and if we break that, fair value at $97. Now, fair value is from a trading perspective where we never look to hold past here. This would be our absolute final target. Again, can be smart to take money at these other targets on the way, but our absolute final target would be that $97. So that's how I'm looking at trading this. Again, we can use these as resistances if you're more of a trend trader, wanting to maybe capture if you think the down move will continue further. Then again, you would be probably looking for entries around that $89 to $90 level, $91.80 and $94 and around 50 to 80 cents as those resistances. So again, these levels you may use a bit differently. To me, they're going to be targets on long bias plays. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, why don't you check out this video because you'll probably enjoy that one too.